Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 1970 Chevelle SS 454. Beautiful, beautiful car. It's cranberry red with black stripes. Cranberry red was the factory color according to the cal tag. We do not have a build sheet on this car, so we cannot say that it is a true SS. However, if it is a clone, somebody cloned it exactly like an SS. It's got the axles, the sway bars, the gauges, the shifter, the seats. It's got everything that would have been on the SS. But again, we do not have the build sheet, so we cannot say 100%. Beautiful car, restored in 2010. We have a pile of records, big fat folder. The engine was rebuilt in 2020. We have all the details of that and the receipt. Sounds really good. It's a roller motor, 10-to-1 pistons, got a nice little cam, Edelbrock carb. It's an automatic. The cal induction works on the hood. Cold AC. It does have an aftermarket Bluetooth radio. There's a subwoofer in the back and the interior speakers have been replaced, so the radio sounds really nice. Beautiful car. I've driven this car a little bit and it stays at 195 no matter what. So that's a perfect temp, no problems there. No leaks. It's not leaking oil or coolant or anything else. Jump in it and go, all the gauges are working and everything. Very nice car, runs great. Interior is immaculate. Even the clock is working in there. Bluetooth radio is on right now, automatic. Door panels are in great shape. No rips, no tears. Headliner's nice. That dome light works. Beautiful car. Sounds good. Tons of looks everywhere you go. It is a posi. Get in it and drive it. No worries about this one. We can ship this car to you anywhere, enclosed or open trailer in the US. We can do deals long distance. We can do paperwork long distance. Financing, I do have a collector car finance option. You can go to my website, click the finance tab, fill out the app, it goes straight to them, and they'll shop for the best rate for you. So give us a call, text, email as soon as you can. Give you all the details on this. Oh, I can't get enough of that sound. So good. 1970 Chevelle 454 big block. It's got headers on it. Take a look at the pictures in the gallery under the engine bay. It's absolutely beautiful under there. No excuses car right here. Hope to hear from you soon on this. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. Hit subscribe for me, like the video. Comment. I like to respond and reply to all the comments, so please do so if you got any questions. Talk to you soon.